Hi, friends. Today we're going to read Balance the Birds. Wonder how you would balance a bird. Well, let's find out. So I'm going to share my screen. Balance the birds. Here come the birds. Half on the left side and half on the right. This is how the birds balance. Uh-oh, off they go. Half the birds remain. One side is too heavy. One side is too light, unless two perch here and two hop there. Now the birds are balanced. Uh-oh, off they go. One small bird remains until, uh-oh, do you think he's going to balance it? How will these birds balance? Small birds are quite light, but a few might balance. So it took one big bird on one side and 5 little birds on the other side. Here come the birds. How will you balance the birds? That's a lot of birds on that tree, isn't it? So they did pretty good balancing themselves. They had to put a few on this side and a few on that side, but they made it work. All right. I hope you have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.